What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have another update on this crypto called Arbitrum, which has pumped up 15% in the last 24 hours, currently trading at $1.37. So we're going to be looking at how high is it going to go, is it going to keep pumping, is it going to drop back down in value, mainly looking at is it time to buy right now, or if you're on a profit, is it time to sell it, or on the other hand, is it simply time to hold on to it before it pumps up even higher over the coming hours, days, weeks, and so on. So we are going to cover both buyers and sellers point of view, and also its prediction over the next couple of hours, days, and weeks as well. And as you guys would probably know by now, this crypto is not a crypto that's been here for a while. It has only been here since about the 2nd of April, which is just about 10 days. So guys, we won't be able to do the long-term prediction when it comes to Arbitrum, only because there is not much data on it. So before I go any further, if you guys are new to the channel and haven't subscribed, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100k subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are on the Coinbase website. The market is up 2%, and as you guys would probably know, Bitcoin has finally hit over $30,000 after a good year or so. So yeah, it's good to be back above $30,000, and also the crypto market is up as well. So hopefully we can maintain that and hit even higher numbers over the coming weeks and months as well. But again, today's focus is on Arbitrum, which is the second top gainer in the last 24 hours. So in the last hour itself, it has managed to gain a percentage over the last 24 hours. As you can see, 14%. It all started up very early this morning. Over the week, again, 14% up, and over the month, it is down 88%. Only reason is, as you can see, it initially got launched at $11.80, and straight away let's have a look here, about a couple of hours later, an hour or two, it literally dropped 90% to $1.10, and right now trading at $1.37. So we are not going to look at the monthly chart, we are going to focus on the short term. So going into the coin market cap website here, we can see the trading volume has gone up over 150%, making it over $1 billion in trading, which is a huge amount of money that is currently being traded on Arbitrum. We're seeing a lot more investors, a lot more sellers, and in general just a lot of people trading it, as it is getting a lot of attention, a lot of hype, and it is one of the top gainers in the last 24 hours. So we are of course going to see a lot of people looking into this project. So let's get straight into it. On the screen right now, we do have the candlestick pattern chart with the MACD indicator, which I'm going to be using to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are currently looking at the hourly chart, and at the top here we've got the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, giving us the average value of Arbitrum, which is here in purple at $1.31. However, we can see it trading at a slightly higher value here in green at $1.37, meaning it's performing quite well and much better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily, and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that, guys, as usual, just a little disclaimer: this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, we do have the blue and the orange line looking slightly bearish, heading towards the negative direction, meaning minimal drops in value are expected from Arbitrum over the next 12 to 14 hours. So let's say by midday tomorrow, I'm expecting Arbitrum to have dropped back down in value to around $1.25 to $1.30, somewhere in between here. But again, guys, it's not going to be a major drop, it's going to be minimal. And again, that doesn't mean that it's not going to keep pumping in value. Of course, it's likely to pump up even higher, above $1.40 over the coming next few hours, before it slowly starts to drop back down in value, down to $1.25 to $1.30, somewhere in between here. So again, do expect it to peak in value before it slowly starts to drop back down. But again, even the drop is not going to be a major drop, it is going to be quite minimal. Now, Moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days, what can we see here? The blue line is looking slightly bearish, once again looking negative, and the orange line is looking bullish, heading towards a positive direction. So essentially what we have is both the blue and the orange line going in opposite direction to each other, meaning an overall fluctuation in value is what is expected from Arbitrum over the next couple of days. So let's say by midweek next week, so over the next week or so, I'm expecting Arbitrum to be trading around $1.55 is what I'm expecting it. And again, do expect it to be quite volatile over the next couple of days. It's going to be up and down. It's going to be quite volatile, even hitting about $1.60, $1.70 and dropping down to $1.20, 25. But the overall outcome by mid next week seems to be more or less trading around $1.50 to $1.55 is what my expectations are as of right now. However, if there are any major changes that can have a potential impact on the value of Arbitrum, either in a positive or negative direction, I will of course keep you guys updated on as much as I can and as soon as I can on my Instagram page and on my YouTube channel as well. So make sure you stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. So what we're going to do now is get rid of the MACD indicator, and a lot of you guys have asked it's long-term prediction. Unfortunately, I won't be able to do that. But again, as I mentioned in the thumbnail, when is Arbitrum likely to hit $5? Potentially by mid-year is when I'm expecting the crypto to be hitting $5. However, I could be wrong, guys. I can't really predict the long-term prediction, as I mentioned earlier, because there is not much historical data on the crypto. But as soon as there's more data, more analysis, and I can do more research on it, I will try and keep you guys updated on. But at the moment, $5 is not too far off, so we're gonna have to give it a good couple of months before we can hit that. So mid-year or Q3 of 2023 is when I'm expecting Arbitrum to be hitting the $5 mark. But again, what I want you guys to do is let me know in the comment section down below, when are you guys expecting this crypto to be hitting $5? Let me know in the comment section down below, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto, as I have seen a lot of positive and a lot of negative comments. And also guys, let me know if you guys are bullish or bearish on this crypto, and are you guys investing, are you guys selling, or are you guys just holding on to it? Comment down below as well. But yeah, that is pretty much it guys for today's video. Just a quick one on Arbitrum, a highly requested video in my DM, so I thought, you know what, let me make a quick update. If you guys want regular updates on this crypto, comment them down below, and I'll be sure to keep you guys updated on a regular basis on this crypto. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here guys. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k subscribers by the end of the year. And at the end of the day guys, it is free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video. And also, if you guys have any other cryptocurrencies in mind that you guys want me to cover on this channel, let me also know in the comment section down below, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.